What if someone told you that there was an app that will edit for you and it will make your photos look consistent and it's reasonably priced and it's gonna save you tons of time? Would you believe it? We were very hesitant at first when we heard all about Imagen AI. And then what we did was we challenged ourselves. We spent 30 days. We said, we're gonna give it a month. We're gonna see what we think. And I am here today to tell you our honest opinion. I am Emily with E Squared Photography, and Erin is not here with us today, but I am going to jump in and I'm going to tell you how our 30 days with Imagen AI went. I'm going to tell you all the things and what we honestly thought about it. Okay, so we set up the experiment that we were going to do. We took family sessions that we had ready to edit and we were going to edit them. We had a ton of them. We had been doing mini sessions and we're like, all right, let's give it a try. We were extremely skeptical and we thought it was going to be a total flop. We thought there is no way that we are going to upload a Lightroom gallery into this software and it is going to know exactly how we want them edited. We thought absolutely not. Honestly, just 5 minutes later, after we had it start editing, our minds were completely blown. And I am not just saying that. Our jaws dropped to the floor. I know I was at home, Erin was doing one at her house. I called her on the phone and I said, are yours as good as mine are? And she's like, I love them all. I mean, it was insane. We were in complete shock because we had no thought in our mind that it was going to actually work, but we were kind of desperate at that time because we had so much editing backed up to do. Honestly, it was 100 or more photos and it was edited in just 5 minutes. We were like, what, how? Wait, it already says the editing's done. We were so confused. So that kind of left us, after both editing one of our family sessions, it kind of left us saying, okay, but will it always work? So what we did was we kept trying. We said we challenged ourselves to 30 days of trying it, so we kept trying. And as you can see here, we had to edit a variety of photos from a variety of sessions just to see how it was going to do, and we were mind blown. So 30 days later, we had edited, I think, at least 12 sessions, 45 plus hours of editing saved, and zero stress on us. We were like, yes, please, give us everything you have, give us more. And they continue to come out with new updates like the skin softening, teeth whitening, subject massing, cropping, culling, everything. They continue to come out with more, and we continue to be mind blown. We are obsessed, and we want you to be obsessed as well. So what Imagen AI does is there are a variety of ways you can use Imagen to work for you. You can upload a preset that you like. You can create your own profile, which is like a preset to Imagen, but even better. You can purchase profiles. You can use free profiles. There are so many ways you can use Imagen to help you. And what it does is it learns over time how you like to edit, how you like to crop, all of the things you like, and it delivers over and over and over again photos that you are going to love. We've had so many people say that they like the images that Imagen edits better than the ones that they edit, and we would honestly agree with that. And a lot of people are hesitant. Well, I'm already paying for Lightroom monthly. I don't want to have to pay for another software. The nice thing about Imagen is it's only a few cents per photo, and it's going to give you hours upon hours of your life back. So you can finally binge watch that Netflix show you've been watching, which right now for me is The Secret Life of Mormon Wives. I've never watched it, so I'm currently having all the time in the world to do that. So our complete honest feedback when working with Imagen is it's causing us to be faster at editing, obviously, more consistent and less stress. The biggest piece in all of that is more consistent. What we would find is that Erin, because we both edit, Erin would edit super warm and maybe I'd be a little bit cool. And then we'd have to talk through things, right? Or just throughout a session itself, we would look back at the first photo we edited versus the last photo and we'd put them next to each other and they wouldn't be consistent. So we'd have to start over from the beginning to figure out, okay, what do we gotta do? What do we gotta do? Imagen steps in and saves all of that stress for you. So let's take a look at what some other people are saying about Imagen. So Brittany here says, what used to take me days now takes me less than 15 minutes. Efficiency is something I highly value, especially when it comes to my business, and efficiency is why I'm obsessed with Imagen. Here, I now use it and it has saved me so much time. I spent a lot of my time having it create a summer edit, and then it was so simple duplicating it and changing it to my fall edit. Thanks for the free 1,500 edits. Love it. So happy I finally decided to get it. Saves me so much time on editing. Love how well it does with the greens. I struggled with editing greens in my images before. And then yes, no going back saves so much time. And we could not agree with all of these individuals more. We are obsessed with it. We want you to be obsessed with it. And we want to invite you to our 3-day boot camp that we are hosting, and we are going to dive into all things Imagen. We're going to get you set up. We're going to show you how to edit all of the things. And with that, you're going to get 1,500 free edits that you can use to get you started. So we hope you join us, and we will see you next time.